Well, it's Saturday, December 13th, and this is a familiar sight for some of you. Yep, we're at Ernie's again. First snowmobile ride of the year. We've had a very wintry December. The kind of winter that I can remember December's being from when I was younger. So it's kind of rare. Lots of snow, lots of cold. It's about -2 today. And as you can see, we've got a fair bit of snow. And there's more coming. About 5 to 10 centimeters. ZR is tuned up, ready to go. Just basic maintenance. New bearings in the track. Oh, I had to put a drive shaft. It's not a drive shaft saver, but I'll input it in here. What I had to do. It's a common problem for the Procross chassis. We're waiting for Duncan with his 600 E-Tech Renegade, and then we're gonna go for a little rip. All right, talk to me while you're unstrapping this. Last time we saw you, you were having some engine troubles.
Yeah, the oil was leaking out of the head, right out of the fuel injection port.
Right.
And it did it twice. And so I gave up trying to fix it myself and took it to Cartronics. And they recommended 3 things: new head, new fuel injector, new gasket, and then clean the rave valves. But I'd already cleaned them. Oh, and also something was going on such that one of the rave valve wasn't closing. It was staying open 25%, so that might have been what was causing the excess oil. What else did I have to buy? Oh, new dash. The dash might have been causing things too, because when he used my original dash, it was running like crap, and so he tried somebody else's dash and it worked fine. So I went and ordered a second-hand one. And that's what is that? Thumb warmer.
If it falls apart, it's not our fault. Nothing going on. We're good. You want to lead the way, Ernie? Yeah, you go ahead if you want. Okay. Okay. And we're off. You breaking trail? Yep. Water.
Which way do these things go again? Is that little tab towards you or away from you?
I think it's,
I got it towards me.
I think these ones go towards you, yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah. That's mine.
I just cleared it.
Oh, thank you.
It's not going to be a quality video today anyway.
Can you hear me okay?
Yep.
See, because I think mine's facing the other way. My little tab is facing. I think with these, with the tab's supposed to face in, right?
Is that better?
Okay, mine's backwards.
Is that better or worse?
No, it's supposed to face towards you. It's off to the center. And
I had it.
It's pointing at me.
Okay, so it's got to twist around.
So, 1 more quarter.
Okay. Okay, is that better?
Yep.
Is good? Cardo's working okay?
Yeah.
Glad to hear it.
Yeah.
Hear it.
Hear it.
It's just normal for us not listening to you.
Everything is okay. I just thought, you know what?
Check your oil.
Let's at least check.
It looks like you had about half, maybe. It's smoking a bit, though, eh? It seems like it's heavy on the smoke.
Really?
Yeah, but who knows?
Well, I mean, I should have asked if he put it into, what do you call it, mode?
Oh, break-in?
Break-in
Oh,
mode.
maybe that's what it is.
Yeah. Let's go to the clubhouse and maybe I'll have a closer look inside.
Okay. I don't think his is smoking too bad now. It just seems to be when he's idling.
No. Yeah, I think he's okay.
Yeah.
Just paranoid.
Your camera's not iced up at all. I don't know why.
I just wiped it.
Here's Chris.
How are ya?
How you doing, Chris?
Are we in your way? Are we doing repairs? What's broke? What's broke? Oh, no.
All right. Well, I guess we'll head back.
Hope this friggin' visor will start clearing up. Pain in the nuts.
Do you, is it plugged in solid in the helmet?
It is now. It wasn't when I stopped back there, and then it kind of cleared up, and then it seemed to start fogging up again. I don't know. Never had trouble with it before. Car coming, he's pointing.